go back, adjust it. So that's actually the 3D layout of my ground floor. It's not so much except for this table. What about what can I see on my first floor? So nothing much, also only rooms. Our time is weird. 7:30 is okay for you? That
Okay, I came here at 7 but I want to ask you.
ah
Wait, this
it's also okay, no? So we can press.
cover
No worries, it's our first day.
when I get over in the open this class, I will.
So it's okay, the timing's okay. Also, we can prepare for prayer. Okay. Now, so I guess that's okay. Again, let me just remind you of this one more time. Okay, so I'm going to uncheck the section box, so it will come back to its original form. If you hide it, HH, for example, this is temporary, Save the file, close the file, reopen the file, that door is there again. Okay, but if you use this one, hide, save the file, close the file, reopen the file, that door will not come. Okay, so that is the difference between the two, This is temporary and the one up is not. Okay. Also, let's open one entry level. One entry level. We can also use the visibility graphics, no? So visibility graphics is actually can be accessed when you press VG or VB. Visibility graphics override. Okay, now when you click this one, okay, so let's open VB. Okay, VB, okay, look for door category. These are the categories, no? I told you the categories where you can find, no? Let me just quick review here. Here, doors. So visibility graphics, doors. No? So I'm going to uncheck that and press OK. Now, all the doors in this view are now hidden. So this is visibility graphics is not temporary also, no? So when you close the file and reopen it again, that door will not come. So how to put it back? Go to visibility graphics and you check doors. There are times that you don't need to hide all. You don't need to hide all the doors. For example, in the prep dish, in the prep/dish, let's say you want to hide this door 122 only. So you cannot use visibility graphics to turn it off. Because if you open visibility graphics and turn it off here, all the doors will be hidden. So what are you going to do? Remember that you have this tool called hide elements. not category. Yeah, so you can hide elements. So only that door is in there. Okay, how to put it back? You just have to use this reveal hidden elements, selected, and unhide. Okay. What else? So, okay, so this one is for now. Now let's just wait for this guy to finish the software. And let's try to draw the okay. Actually, no. We can press this one, press this close hidden window. Actually, if you press WT, it will add all the views. Later, I will tell you what is this for now. As I assume there's so many views right now. When you press WT, how many views are there? So many? So PW is actually 2019 version up. Okay, it will maximize a view. Try. Okay, try this one. So it maximized now. Only one view is available, yeah? So you can close that close hidden window. Okay, and let's close the drawing through here. There is a difference between this cross and this cross, huh? So this one is just to close the drawing. We don't want to save it. And when you close from here, it will totally close the software. Basic thing. Huh? So now I assume that you are on the recent file now. Let's click open.
And start with you.
shown a bit. Yeah.